Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are liking my classes. If are a new viewers, then first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Okay, don't forget to press the bell icon because my new videos notification comes only when you press the bell icon. Okay, and repeatedly I am trying to do new things so that student get maximum benefit. Okay, HS student, high secondary student, I am trying my level best so that they can continue their study well. Okay, this video I have brought another topic connecting with 1 mark question. Hope all of you will like. In this video I have brought 10 1 mark question. In the earlier 1 mark objective question, I have basically given MCQ type question. 4 options were there. This time I have slightly modified where I have brought 5 MCQ questions and 5 one or 2 word answers for having mark 1. Okay, hope all of you will like. Now let's begin the class. The first we will proceed MCQ questions. The first MCQ question is, which of the following is an example of general force of business organization? Options are A, investor, B, supplier, C, government, and D, competitor. Now what is the question is demanding? General force. Which one is general force? Yes, all of you know investor, supplier comes under what? Specific force. Therefore the correct option will be what? C, government. Next question, which of the following is not a dimension of business environment? Okay, all of you listen the question very carefully. Not a dimension of business environment. Options are A, social environment, B, political environment, C, economical environment, and D, internal environment. Yes, therefore correct option is what? Not in dimension. The correct option will be what? D, internal environment. Okay, hope you got. Next question is, which is an example of economic environment? Okay, example of economic environment options are change in technology, B, expectation of society, C, change in exchange rate, D, change in government rules and regulation. Economic environment connecting with monetary policy, fiscal policy, yes, disinvestment. Okay, monetary aspect, economic aspect, and under economic aspect the exchange rate comes under what? Economic factor, demand and supply. Okay, dollars rate, dollars equivalent with rupees. Therefore the correct option will be C, change in exchange rate. Okay, the next question is, which of the following is an example of social environment? Okay, social environment options are money supply in the economy, B, Consumer Protection Act, C, Constitution of the country, and D, composition of family. And now social environment connecting with what? Religion, caste, creed, okay, family size. Therefore the correct option will be D, composition of family. The fifth question, liberalization means, options are integration among economics, reduce government control and restriction, C, policy of planned disinvestment, and D, none of the above. Yes, liberalization, making liberal, making things easy. Okay, losing the rules and regulation by the government. Therefore correct option will be what? B, reduce government control and restriction. Okay, hope you have got the MCQ question. Next we shall proceed about 1 mark question. I can give the answer in 1 word or if on demand 2 word. The first question, give 2 example of general forces. Okay, general forces, general and specific 2 other force. Now general forces include what? Social, economical, social, Yes, political, technological, legal. Therefore, from this you can give correct two example. You can give economic or social. You can give political or legal. Any two example you can give. But the correct option, these 5 dimension will be correct. So here I shall give economic and political are 2 example of general force. Next question is, give 2 example of specific force. Specific force include customer, competitor, banker, investor. Now, 2 example of specific force. Here I shall give, one is customer and another one is what? Competitor. If you write investor also, it will be correct. If you write banker also, it will be correct. Give 2 example of this. So here I have given competitors and customers. Next question, read the things very carefully. Okay, next is slightly critical. Change in technology or consumer taste changes the external force. Again I am repeating, change in technology or consumer taste changes the external force. Identify the features of business environment in the given statement. Okay, now for change in technology or change in customer behavior, external force also gets changed. Yes, now during COVID, this is the best example. Consumer willingness taste behavior has changed. Okay, now the which features will get adjust with this statement. Okay, the correct statement is what? Business environment is dynamic by nature. Yes, for dynamic characteristics, what? Rapid changes takes place and business adopt that changes. So correct answer will be what? Dynamic by nature. Next question is, the Consumer Act has forced business organization to produce quality product and provide after sales service. Again I am repeating the question. Consumer Act has forced business organization to produce quality product and provide after sales service. Identify the business environment affecting business enterprise. Okay, which environment is adjusted with this statement? Consumer Acts force, or that Consumer Legal Act, it forced the business to produce quality product, to give fair price for the product. And this act, all Consumer Act, Consumer Protection Act, Competition Act, everything comes under what? Legal environment. Therefore the answer will be what? Legal environment. Now next question is, state 2 reasons which lead to change in industrial policy of India. Okay, what are the reasons why industrial policy took place? Why industrial policy 1991 happened? Okay, give 2 reasons. Okay, here I have given, there are various reasons, 2 specific reasons I have given: price rise and high government deficit. Price rise and government deficit are 2 reasons we can give for which industrial policy revolution come to the policy of 1991. Okay, that time what happened? Government faced huge loss. Price of the product were continuously increasing. Economy got collapsed. For this reason, government what? Brought new industrial policy 1991. So given answer what? Price rise and high government deficit. These are certain 1 mark question I have raised. 5 MCQ and remaining is what? 1 mark question. All of you go through this question, observe the question very well, because 1 mark question technically come and you have to understand very technically. Okay, sir, means the technique is they will say not, you know all the feature. For not, you have not noticed, you have ticked the, or you have written 1 features. In this way to detect the thing. For this reason you have to go very carefully. Hope this video will help you. Okay, in the coming time I will come with another new topic. Okay, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.